Today I'm sharing with you a real home garden to table experience. With the harvest from our garden, we create a simple yet satisfying and utterly delicious dish of eggplant with potatoes and tomatoes called Baigan and Aloo in my home country of Trinidad in the Caribbean. In a matter of 3 to 4 months, we grew almost all the ingredients required with this easy raised bed, no dig, no weeding, no chemicals method. We planted seeds, seedlings, and a potato that was growing in my kitchen. Sometime around May, set up a sprinkler system and waited patiently and eagerly for what you're about to see today. Actually, we weren't around for 3 weeks in August and came back to this abundance. Now let's pick the ingredients for today's delicious dish. Now let's do some really easy prep work. Peel and slice the onion very thinly, dice the tomatoes and the potatoes, cube the eggplant, and since these are young and homegrown, I won't peel them today to retain all the fiber. For store-bought or very large globe eggplants, feel free to peel off half of the skin from the eggplant because it can be overpowering and tough. Do what's best for you. Now peel and crush about a head of garlic to help release its essential oils. Now that the prep work is done, let's start cooking. To a medium-sized pot over medium heat, add extra virgin olive oil or any oil of your choice. When the oil is hot, add the onion and the hot pepper and cook until the edges are golden brown. Then add the crushed garlic and stir it around and cook for another minute. Next we'll add the diced potatoes, tomatoes and eggplant. Stir it well to combine and to coat with the oil. Next, add some chopped scallions or green onions, whatever you call it. You may also add a sprig or two of fresh thyme. Give it another really good stir, then cover it and let it steam cook. While that's cooking, I'll knead the flour for my roti, and today I'm making dosti roti. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to learn how to make this. Important lesson here, friends, let the water created by the steam on the cover drain back into the pot. I repeat, let it drain back into the pot. It is required to assist in the cooking process. A certain someone who was assisting me had no idea and wasted all that precious liquid. But I'll be nice and not call any names today. At this point, stirring is the secret. We're going to continue to stir to bring all the flavors together, and we're going to continue to cook and break up the chunks of potatoes, and that is only if you wish to do so. You may add salt now or earlier on in the cooking process. Since I'm nearing the half a century mark, I'm very cautious with my use of salt and only use a little over 1 teaspoon today, which my daughter noticed. However, you can add salt to your liking. You know it's done cooking when the potatoes no longer have sharp edges and the eggplant is tender. And while that continued to cook, I finished up making my roti, and now we're ready to eat. You can enjoy this with the dosti roti I made today, or with sada roti or paratha roti. Both of those recipes are already on YouTube and on my blog. Please check them out. And that's it for today, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what other recipes you'd love to see on my channel.